Hey everyone, I'm Terrain with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released Snapshot 21W08A for Minecraft. This snapshot saw the addition of new textures and blocks, but let's not waste any more time and get right into the snapshot. This release saw a change to Grimstone, which was introduced last week, and it is now called Deep Slate. Deep Slate now has a top texture, and a new block called Cobbled Deep Slate drops from Deep Slate. Cobbled Deep Slate is like regular Deep Slate without the top texture, and the cobbled variant is used in all crafting recipes as a substitute to cobblestone. Ores also have versions of themselves in Deep Slate, as you can see on the screen now, and these ores generate whenever next to the Deep Slate blocks. These ores takes twice as long to mine as normal ores, but I'm a big fan of these texture variants. Also, ore textures have been slightly changed for all ores, including new emerald and lapis ore textures. A new block called Smooth Basalt has also been added in this snapshot, and it can be obtained by smelting basalt, or, alternatively, you can find these blocks around amethyst geodes underground. Also, the new Spore Blossom blocks, which we covered in a previous snapshot, now spawn custom particles around them in the air. Last snapshot, devs released a first version of their new ore distribution system, which you can see on the screen now. And this week, the devs have slightly tweaked the graph, and you can see the height at which each ore spawns and how frequently they spawn in those heights on screen now. Keep in mind that this is not a final version, and this is still a work in progress, but hopefully they find a good system for the finished 1.17 release. Cave sizes have also been slightly tweaked in the snapshot, in addition to canyon and cave carvers now being able to spawn below y=0. In this new snapshot, slimes and honey blocks have been moved to the redstone tab of the creative inventory. These blocks are technically not redstone components, however, due to their common use in redstone contraptions, devs have decided to move them to this tab of the inventory. And that is all for the snapshot coverage video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then please hit that subscribe button and drop a like. Also, be sure to check out the rest of our videos for more content featuring mod and plugin reviews. And if you'd like to read the full snapshot article page, then the link for the article will be in the description below. And if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to explore these new caves and ores with your friends, then head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm Terrain. Peace out.